this meeting also will give a way forward in terms of whether Uganda should continue holding shares in UTL, or Uganda now can say, no, look, I think UTL is not a viable company anymore, so we may be able to actually look at other options. So these are issues that we have discovered, and we believe is going to inform the investigation further into the root causes, the deep root causes of the problems and challenges affecting UTL.
A clear plan has been developed with our Ugandan partners, minority shareholders, and that plan has been submitted to the Ugandan government, and Liptic is currently awaiting for a full and final approval of the plans so the turnaround of UTL can start. I strongly believe that UTL has a significant potential. It has a great opportunity within the marketplace to leverage its strong infrastructure in the fixed line operations to provide a high quality services at reasonable prices with respect to broadband and data.